Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious potato salad, full guide. Prep your potatoes first by rinsing and cutting 2 pounds into even chunks for consistent cooking. Place them in a pot, cover with cold water, add a pinch of salt, and bring to a gentle boil. Cook until they are tender but still hold their shape, then drain and cool slightly before dressing. Make a smooth dressing by whisking mayonnaise, mustard, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for brightness. Fold in chopped celery and onion for crunch, and stir in chopped hard-cooked eggs if you like extra richness. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors, then chill the salad so the dressing melds with the potatoes for the best texture and flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum frees up your time with smart voice control and strong suction, so you can focus on making perfect potato salad instead of sweeping up crumbs. It's a handy kitchen sidekick I mention often, and you can find a link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. For great flavor, add fresh herbs such as dill or chives and fold them in gently to preserve texture. Try mixing a spoon of mustard or a squeeze of lemon for controlled acidity, and always taste as you go to avoid oversalting. Chill the potato salad for at least 1 hour to let flavors marry, and store it properly so it stays fresh and tasty when you serve it at your gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.